How to send one-time view pictures on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, let's go to the WhatsApp application. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Also check if you have an updated version of the application or not. After that, go to any profile that you want to send one-time view picture. So you can see the camera icon over here. So just tap on that. And after that you can tap on the gallery section, and then you can choose any photo or images that you want to send. So here I'm gonna tap on any of this picture. So I'm just gonna go for this picture over here, and after tapping on the picture that you want to send, let's suppose I'm gonna add a caption with hey, and you can see this option of one over here beside the message. Just tap on it. So this says that photo set to view once. After that you can just tap on send, and there you go, you have sent one-time view picture on WhatsApp. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.